In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block and unblock a sender in Microsoft Outlook. This helps you stop unwanted emails while keeping control over who can reach your inbox. To block a sender, open Outlook and go to your inbox. Find an email from the sender you want to block. Right-click the email, then select Block or Block Sender. Confirm your choice, and future emails from that address will be sent to your junk email folder. You can also manage blocked senders through Settings. Click the Settings gear icon, go to Mail, then Junk Email. Under Blocked Senders and Domains, click Add, enter the email address or domain you want to block, and save your changes. To unblock a sender, return to Settings, then Mail and Junk Email. Under Blocked Senders and Domains, find the email address you want to remove and click the Remove or Delete icon next to it. Your changes are saved automatically or after you click Save, depending on your Outlook version. That's how to block and unblock a sender in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.